Hi, my name is Derek Murphy. I am a DO and I'm currently at the ACAM conference for chelation. I have to say that it was one of the best conferences I've been to. I learned a lot about detoxing and various other alternative medicine. For me, for chelation, the way I look at it is that I took the whole fellowship in functional medicine, and for me, I think that if someone's going to work in alternative medicine and work up, metals and molds and all this stuff, that they should probably have the proper way of treating it and detoxing from the metals. So that's kind of how I plan to use it in my practice. So I heard about chelation because I was interested in it for a while. I read about the benefits, and I've heard of practitioners in my area doing it. So I looked around at who taught chelation, and it was ACAM. From everything that I've read, provided the best and most thorough training in chelation.